What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Longevity, brought to you by DNC Properties. I am here today back with a new unboxing. Oh, it was on sale at Lowe's and I just had to pick it up. It is their brush set, guys, but it does come with a couple brushless tools as well. But I do own quite a bit of Dewalt stuff myself as of right now, and let me be honest, guys. This is a hell of a deal. Okay? I can tell you right now, these tools, you buy them individually. If you buy them individually at Lowe's, you are looking to spend in the upwards of probably about $1,500. And I got it for a fraction of the cost with my military discount. And Lowe's just happens to be having a sale with Dewalt. You know, I've noticed going back and forth between Dewalt. That's my new Ryobi fan. Love it. Great. Between Dewalt. They both have their pros and cons as opposed to deals. Sometimes Home Depot's got better deals. Sometimes Lowe's has better deals. It really just depends. Right now, Lowe's seems to be really pushing Craftsman pretty hard. Anyways, guys, I was on Craigslist the other day and I saw an ad on Craigslist for $50. A 3 amp hour Dewalt lithium ion battery and a charger for $50. So I emailed the guy and I said, I'll give you $35. What do you know? Boom. I get me a brand spanking new 3 amp lithium ion battery with a charger for $35 in the packaging steel. This old man got it for free. Got it for free when he bought when you buy the tool, you get the battery for free. So in his mind, he was like, yeah, I got it for free. I didn't pay nothing. He didn't realize this thing's $119 at Lowe's. I think Home Depot sells it for $119 too. But hey, you know what? His loss is my gain. I'm in the business of I need these. So it is what it is. I wasn't ripping the guy off. I told him what I offered him. He said yes. I took the deal. Boom, it is what it is. He probably didn't know what this thing cost at Lowe's. But hey, I'll take a 3 amp for $35 with a charger for Dewalt any day of the week. So let's jump right into it, guys. I'm ready to do this unboxing, man, of this new Dewalt kit. 20 volt lithium ion DCK 1020D2 is the model number. I repeat, let's repeat that one more time. It is DCK 1020D2. It is a 10-tool Dewalt. I repeat, Dewalt kit. Okay? And this thing, guys, looks top notch. You know what? Let me just show this too. While I was in Lowe's earlier, I decided, hey, you know what, man? You know, I never review their side stuff, guys. And a couple weeks ago, I picked up this, hell, one of the bits fell out of it. I picked up this Dewalt magnetic. It's a wrenched reverse screwdriver. Oh, you know, guys, I love the screw. It's built very well. It's got a compartment down here for the bits. But guys, let me just be honest with you. The bits do not stay in here that well. It's my only complaint about this tool. When it's closed, it's great, but when you open it, the bits always seem to fall out, and I don't like that. So I was in Home Depot today earlier, and I picked up its predecessor. It's very nice. It's got the magnetic technology in it. This is almost like a drill driver screwdriver. It's got a on and reverse, so it's like a ratchet screwdriver. It's pretty nice, guys. This thing is like only $15. I mean, it's a lot for a screwdriver, let's be honest. That's quite a bit of money. I'm sure you could pick up a really nice kit with 8 or 9 screwdrivers, maybe 10 for the same price. But It feels great. It's rubberized. It's really, really, really good quality. It's great. It's just built right. It's Dewalt, guys. Let's be honest. It's gonna be that way. But I'm just not a big fan of the holder that holds the bits in here. It's a pain in the ass. They seem to fall out. I don't know. I think they could have designed it a little bit better for being Dewalt. So I'm kind of disappointed in that. So I picked up its predecessor. It's a little bit smaller one. It's got the ratchet style into it too, but it doesn't have the bit holder. So I picked this up too myself. It is a 6-in-1 max fit screwdriver. It even comes with the famous old Dewalt magnetic little adapter. You guys all know. I got quite a bit of them. I use this one too from Dewalt. Pretty cool. This one works really, really good. It fits its hex bits. And I am going to go over, guys, because everyone's probably been wondering, like, when is Ryobi going to have one? Well, guess what, guys? Ryobi has their own magnetic hex bit magnet, too. We will go over that another day for you Ryobi fans out there. But listen, guys, I just wanted to show you. I picked this up today in Home Depot for $9.99. And I think it's a pretty damn good buy. So I bought it. Okay. So let's jump right into the shenanigans here. Okay. Let me find a razor around here. Good old handy dandy Craftsman razor laying around. Let's be honest, Dewalt owns Craftsman too. That's why their tools look so much alike. Ugh. That's trash. Okay, guys. So here, damn, this comes in 2 monster bags. So right off the rip, I will tell you, I love how Dewalt always does their tools. They always package them in the bags already, so you're not fumbling around trying to figure out how to get them out of the bag. Ryobi does the same thing too. Makita doesn't. You got to put it in the bag yourself. But hey, this is about unboxing the new Dewalt 10-tool combo kit from Lowe's. Okay? So the first tool I pull out is the Dewalt LED light 565407. The model number on this is DCL040 LED work light. Now, guys, let me tell you what. It's funny because Dewalt owns Craftsman, right? Well, let me be the first to tell you. Let me just compare. Okay, so this is the Ryobi light that came with the Ryobi. It's not an LED light, which is a shame. But you know what? It's very easy to check. I could take this bulb and put it in here, and bada bing, it's an LED light, right? But anyways, that's not the point. The one the Craftsman light that comes in their 4-tool combo kits, you've seen them. It's identical to this. I'll tell you what, guys, it's built better. I mean, it's like rubberized around here. I mean, it's all plat. I was not a big fan of this light at all. It's rubberized. It's nice. It's got a little place here for a little hook and put it on my tool belt or whatever when I'm working in attics or whatever. You know, it's got a nice little clip here, so I can hang it up. Actually, you know what? I think I just found a spot for this. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Would you look at that? I mean, what are the odds of that fitting? Some voodoo shit going on there. Excuse my language. Weird, but anyways, that's where it's going. All right, guys, and then we got the good old Dewalt. Boom. Literature This is the instruction manual for the cordless LED light. That's pretty cool. It's only for the tools that are in this bag. So they did their planning very well. Guys, I always hold on to the literature. I never throw it away. Because you never know when you might need the literature again. It's just good to have. It's good to have on hand, guys. It's just nice to have. You know, you never know, man. I might have dementia one day and I might need to go back and read something when I can't figure out how to work my tool. Here's the answer. All right. Boom. On to the next one. Ooh. This is Dewalt's DCF 885 brushed impact drill driver. It's kind of okay. Nice little lock system. Looks like it's got a tri-LED here. Let's pop a little battery in here fasten. Ooh, the smell of the brushes. Brand new tool. Smells great. I love the smell of brand new tools, guys. It's got a tri-LED. I like it. It's clean. It's nice. I have its little bit bigger brother, DCF 787 brushless model. But you know what? I have to say, folks, I think I like it. And we'll go ahead and put the little accessory in it right away. So it's got a nice reverse. It seems very, very well built. It's nice and rubberized around the outside. The metal, the housings, it's all metal. It's got a smart, easy release chuck, which is nice. Love that feature. It's great. Except factory blemished. Would you look at that? Brand new out of the box, and it's got a freaking scratch. I mean, really? I don't know. I'm gonna have to take this kit back, guys. That's just I expect when I buy new tools for everything to be brand new. Okay? Not when I open the damn thing up and it's got shit missing, right? Right, listen. You guys are probably going to say, oh, well, you're going to be using it. You're going to be working with it. It's going to get damaged. But you know what, guys? I just spent a lot of money on this. It should be brand new. It shouldn't have a scratch on it whatsoever, right? So you know what I'm going to do? I mean, look at this one. It's got like bite marks and shit on it. Look at that. That's unacceptable, man. That's unacceptable to me. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop this video because this is going back to the store. Not now, but right now. Okay? So I'm going to put this back in the packaging. And that's it, guys. We'll have to continue this video another day because I don't like to spend that kind of money, and this shit's got bite marks in it and all types of shit in it. And I mean, I expect everything to be brand spanking new. That's what I pay a lot of money for these tools, and damn it, man, they just seem to never disappoint, guys. What a shame. So, anyways, back in the box it goes, and we shall do this video tomorrow.